Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do a get ready with me. It's New Year's Eve and I'm getting ready to go out, so I thought I'd film it just in case it's a really good look and I want to put it up. So I mean, I guess if you're seeing this video then it was a good enough look for it. So yeah, I'm just going to do my makeup for New Year's Eve. Try to be a little bit more chatty than I usually am in these videos because, I mean, I never really know what to talk about because I just have like a basic everyday life, so nothing fantastic to talk about really. But yeah, so we're going to try that today. Before we get into the video, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do, and we'll jump on in and get started. So as always, I've already done my eyebrows. I'll have a tutorial link down below if you want to check that out. Alright, so obviously I haven't done my face makeup because I'm not really sure if I'm going to be using glitter or anything yet, and I don't really want to get that all over my face makeup. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I use this all the time for my eyelids. So today I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. So it just looks like this. These are all matte shades. So first of all, I'm going to set my eye primer with this nice light shade up in the corner here. We're going to start off with the other shade over here, which is more of like a peachy shade. I'm just going to start to build up my crease colour with that. Then I'm going to go into the first brown shade just over here. So what did you get for Christmas? Because I like to know these things. I'm one of those like sticky beak people, and I like to know what everybody else gets for Christmas too. So like, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got. I got a few like new makeup items and a microphone so I can do voiceovers and some other stuff. I like to know what everybody else gets. Is that weird? Do you guys like that too? To know what everybody else gets. Alright, so now we're going to warm up the look a lot more, and we're going to go into this red shade down here. It's like a nice, sort of like a maroony red colour, more on the like muted side though, so not like too deep and dark. And we're just going to sort of warm up and darken up that crease a little bit more. So now I'm going to darken up the outer corner a bit more. We're going to go in with this dark brown shade. Okay, and now we're going to darken up even more just on the outer corner, just with the black. Before I finish off the look, I'm just going to go in with some makeup remover on a pad, and we're just going to clean up the edge a little bit. So now that that's done, we're going to go into the Kat Von D Shade and Light Glimmer palette. So this is the shimmery version of the matte palette. So as you can see, this one is the matte one and this one is the shimmer one. They're pretty much like the exact same colours, just shimmer. I'm going to start off with just like a flat eyeshadow brush, whatever you usually use to pick up your shimmer shades. I'm going to start off with this gorgeous gold colour just over the side here. And as always, I'm going to put on some MAC Fix Plus as well. We're going to put this sort of in that first third there that hasn't got any of the black on it. Oh, that's nice. It is more of like a top coat though, so what I did notice is that the third shade, so the third shade in each of the little sets is more of like a topper, and then the others are more like pigmented than those ones. So this one is more of like a topper shade, so that's why it's not like bam in your face, but you can build it up as well. Then I'm going to go in with this shade just here, which is a nice champagne-y kind of colour, a little bit lighter than that one. MAC Fix Plus once again. Now I'm going to go back into the original Shade Light palette, back into the black, and just fade those together a bit better. I usually go for something that's like silver and black. It's more cool tone than what I usually go for, but I'm liking it. I'm going to get a little flat top definer brush, and we're going to use that matte black shade, and I'm just going to like put a eyeshadow liner on top of the eye. I had a request to do like an eyelash tutorial, like how to put on false eyelashes video, so I will be doing that in the new year. Thanks to Emma for requesting that. But yeah, I'm going to go put some on right now and I'll be right back. Lashes are on, and these lashes I'm wearing are my favourite eBay lashes. These are the Ding Sen eyelashes. Yeah, they're like my favourite eBay lashes. I found them by accident and I love them, so I wear them quite a bit. These are really easy to put on as well. So I'm going to start out with using the Faced Hangover primer. This is a really nice moisturising primer. It smells so good. It smells like coconut. It smells so delicious. And it's just really nice and hydrating as well. So if you've got dry skin, you're going to love this. Oops. I kind of have a mixture of dry and oily skin. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's really oily. Just, I guess, depends on the day. And then on top of that, I'm going to also go in with the POREfessional just to fill in some of my enlarged pores, because I mean, I have some big pores and I don't want that stuff coming out in my makeup, so we're going to cover those over. Now for the fun part, foundation. So this is basically my favourite foundation for any kind of event that I want to go to. I love this foundation. It's so full coverage, stays on all night. Like, it's going to be exactly the same when I go to take it off tonight as it is when I put it on today. So this is the Marc Jacobs Remarcable foundation, and this is amazing. I use the shade 27 Bisque Neutral. I only have my tan shade at the moment because they seem to be always sold out of the shade that I would use if I was fair, so I only ever use this if I'm tanned and I'm going out, which I usually like to be tan when I go out anyway, because I think I look better with darker skin. I don't know if that's just me. Does anybody else feel that way, like they feel like they look way better with their like tan skin? Anyway, so because I'm going out for New Year's Eve, I'm going to go in with some cream contour. I'm going to use the cream contour out of the Tarte Pro palette. I did use this once before and actually really liked it, so we're going to use it again. Alright, so now we're done with contour. We're going to go in with some concealer for under our eyes, brighten up some areas. I'm going to use the Tarte? What the hell? I can't talk. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. This is very bright, so. Now we're going to go in and set the under eye with the Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. I just have the small one, which I got recently just to try it out. I didn't want to get the full size just in case I didn't like it. That's pretty much what I'm going to set today. I don't really think I want to set too much else. I am, however, going to go in with the Shade and Light contour palette now. I'm just going to use a small brush with the yellow and the pink shade up the top here. And I'm just going to like brighten up this eye area. I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. I go back into the Tarte Pro Glow palette. I'm going to use the cream contour shade, powder contour shade, sorry guys. And just on a brush like this, I'm just going to take a little bit, oh that's a lot. We're just going to like, just deepen that contour just a little bit. Okay, and just over the top of that, just to give us a little bit more of like a glow, I'm going to go into the Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light. So for blush today, we're going to go into the Juvias Saharan blush palette. This is volume 2. Probably going to go into this shade here, I reckon. Now these are very pigmented, so be careful. Now we're going to go back in and finish the lower lash line. So we're going to go back into the original Shade and Light palette with all the matte shades in it. I'm going to start with the light colour just to give us a base, then into the peachy shade, and then into the red shade. I'm going to grab a little smudger brush like this and into the black. And just blend and smudge that along as well. Just a quick coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. And we're almost done. I haven't even decided what lipstick I'm going to wear with this look yet. But thankfully I know what highlighter I'm going to wear. So we're going to go into the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Highlighter Duo. This is in Hustla Baby and Mean Money. And I'm going to use Hustla Baby. Yeah. Yes. I'm going to go in with a Morphe, just random Morphe fluffy brush. This is like a really nice, like precision highlighter brush. Into Hustla Baby. Woo. I'm going to go in with a smaller detail brush. I'm going to go into the inner corner. And just a bit on the brow bone. I feel like the blush is just too blushy. So for lipstick today we're going to go in with Kat Von D Ophelia. Yeah, Ophelia. So I actually ended up hating the look of that, so I ended up just going in with Lolita II. Really nice shade. The last step of all, obviously setting spray. You need to make sure that this lasts all night if you're going on a night out. And I'm going to use the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. This is the grapefruit scent. They're all scented, which is awesome, so it makes you smell really nice as well. But yeah, these actually like make your makeup last really well too. So here we go. So this is the final result. It's just a really nice smoky look with a littlest bit of shimmer that's not actually like super shimmery. You just got a little bit there. But yeah, I think it's really nice. I really like this look. I'm really happy to go out and follow along this look tonight for New Year's Eve. Seeing as you'll be seeing this video after New Year's, I hope that you all had a wonderful New Year's celebration. I look forward to making more videos in the new year. If you have any suggestions for videos that you'd like to see me do this year, then make sure that you comment those down below for me. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.